kutupatia nafasi hii Mungu.
Asanti. Nafikiri kanisa ilikuwa
na kusema kweli, unless the government intervene in the manner in which His Excellency the President has planned in the Kenya Manifesto, a lot of Kenyans wataumia sana. So we fully support, being one of your ardent supporter and member of UDA, tunaomba sana waziri wa afya implement that agenda ndio isaidie wa Kenya, kwa sababu kweli kama sio vile Mungu ametusaidia sisi hatungeweza, we could not do anything.
Tunajua sisi wote kwamba madaktari wanatibu lakini Mungu anaponya. So na ni jukumu letu kufanya bidii kutafuta matibabu, kushirikiana na madaktari, kuwa na mipango, ili kupitia kwa mipango yetu na yale mambo ambayo tunaweza kufanya kutafuta matibabu, Mungu atumie hiyo nafasi kuleta uponyaji.